Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Guys, today we are making to draw the bee, beautiful bee. For that, firstly we have to draw the circle, whatever the thing you have with you. Like the circle is ready, and in that we have to draw the small circles, or you can say zero. Now the zero is ready, and that filled with the half filled with ink. Guys, these half portions remain white. It gives a liveness in the eyes of the object, and the little curve and the mouth is ready. And look at the emoji smiling at you, how beautiful. And here is the string of that piece, like an antenna, and your face is ready. We are moving towards now the main body part, like a big curve, big C you can say. Guys, those who are new on my channel, kindly subscribe, share and like my videos. It gives me boost to make the video more beautiful. Guys, your stomach is ready with the lining. Make it dark, like a kid t-shirt kind of design is here. Alternate line we have to fill with the color. The color of the color, neck fill with the ink, and the tail part is here. The body is ready with color. Guys, the another part is the wing, like big kind of M or W. This is M, look at M, and this is also M, opposite direction, or W you can say. Now look at your bee is ready with the beautiful smiles. Look at how smiling on you. Yes guys, your bee is ready. Please do like and comment my video and subscribe my channel. Here guys, it is complete. Thank you guys, thank you for the watching. Have a great day.